Hi, my name is Helge. I was hoping to give you a brief introduction to the field of business design. So, business design is a field of expertise that combines expertise and knowledge about business and the customer in order to create and solve new types of business opportunities. Business design is quite broad, and I found it helpful to divide business design into these three areas in order to better understand how and where it can help. So I wanted to give you a brief introduction to these three areas. So the first area is strategy to execution. So a business designer believes that a large part of the value coming to an organization comes by understanding what the customer needs that aligns to what the business needs. There's an offer of value from the organization to the customer, helping them achieve what they want. Now this unlocks a behavior with a customer that the business can capture and bring value back to itself. So business design is believing that customer needs equals business needs, and then creating a strategic framework, a link to execution, and a measurement system in order to demonstrate this and in order to prove it and make it more effective. So it's creating a line of sight from strategy to execution to outputs and outcomes. The second area of business design is how do you create a customer-driven transformation? Now let's say that the organization is moving from a product-centric organization to a customer-centric organization. What this means is that the people in the organization is going to ask new questions. They will demand new data and insights to answer those questions. This data and insights will give them new ideas for the experiences they can create with their customers. And these new experiences demands new ways of working in order to deliver them, and new measurement systems in order to measure the value of this new way of working. It means a change in how we lead people, what their work is, and also a fundamental change in the culture of the organization. If we start at the top, if we start with why we're doing what we're doing, there's going to be a demand driving through the organization for changes in both how we do experiences, the data and technology we use, the strategy we have, and the cultural leadership. Customer-driven transformation means leading by demand, having a transformation driven by demand. People want the transformation, they're asking for it. The job is to figure out how do we create the best engine to deliver this value to the customer and the organization. The last part of business design is the way we actually do the work. So an organization that is trying to keep up with the movements and the changes in the market, but also is trying to build some kind of competitive advantage through the unique information and insights, it needs a new way of working. It needs to combine the focus on outputs and outcomes with a focus on learning. And so you can build based on something called business experimentation. You can build new teams that helps the organization, that helps the teams work in a new kind of way that kind of makes learning an integrated part of the work and a valuable part of the work for the teams who are continuously trying to kind of make the most optimal, efficient, and productive ways of working in order to produce the desired outcomes. So these are the three areas of business design. I hope that was an interesting, valuable introduction, and I hope to see you around and talk more about business design and help develop and promote this field of expertise. Thank you.